Rebar bender and cutter by Metabo. Okay, comes in a really big case with wheels, handle. Okay. Okay, we're going to demonstrate. We're going to plug in the battery. 36 volt, 18 volt battery. Wow.
Flex or 36 volt tools.
Nice.
It's a flexible.
That's cool.
Yeah, this is a 4 amp hour battery. 3 different colors: silver, green, and white.
What they stand for? Oh.
So number 3 rebar, which is a 3/8, a number 4, which is 1/2, a number 5, which is 5/8. So we can pick 45, 90, 135, or 180.
Oh, the angle.
Or anything in between, because we can stop, you know, prematurely. We don't have to go. A 90 degree.
Okay.
And we have the number 4, so the green. So I'm gonna line up the green right there.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it. Oh, it automatically stops.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Wow.
So then, like, if I want to reverse it and then do, you know, like 135.
Wow.
And then, you know, I want to make something like this. I got 180 right there.
Wow. Nice. That's good.
And then, if I set it to cut.
Oh, wow. There's a cut option. Okay.
Yeah. Cut. This is like a safety gate.
Okay.
It opens.
Okay. Wow, that's so easy.
Yeah,
easy to use.
Effortless, yeah.
What is this for?
It's a shield, so like whenever...
Let's set it up. Just kind of like unfolds. Oh, cut and bend, okay. Okay, when it's turning, got it. So shield so people don't walk, safety shield from people walking close to it.
Mm-hmm. If you're doing a lot of repetitive small pieces.
Cool. Got it here, holstery drill holder, heavy duty plastic with the metal clip, and there's a clip right here, goes into the belt. Let's see how it works. Slides right in. Let me show them. And easy to take it off and on. Really nice durable belt over here. Thick belt, it goes on a thick belt. Wow, that's cool. That's nice. Very easy to put it on and off. Wow, okay. How do we take it off? Can you take it off while... Easy. Wow, this is so cool. Now plug it back in. Wow, this is so nice. Okay. Holster hammer holder. There's a clip. There's a hammer holder. Sits neatly and tight. Let's put in a hammer. Ooh, nice. Sits so well. Okay, that's a bigger hammer and a smaller hammer. Sweet. Let's see how it goes onto the belt. Sweet. Okay, take it in and out. Okay. Awesome. Holster clip, joy pouch. There is a nice thick clip. It's all connected together. And there's a couple of pencil holders on the side and right here. Or little screwdrivers, pencils, sweet. Okay. And there's a pull. We're gonna demonstrate it. Wow, so they don't come off and don't fall down. Nice. Okay, let's put it on your belt. Sweet. Sits in there really nice. I like it. Very cool. Crescent Lufkin 100-foot chuck line. Okay. Lock to see if it's full. And then there's a hook and pulls out. This side here, lock. Then it won't go anymore. Unlock, pulls out some more. Then there's a reel. Goes in super fast, don't have to spin it for a long time. There's a plug to add on more chuck. Okay, we hook it up and let's say we tighten it up, lock it. Okay, nice. This is just example. Okay, now let's haul it in. Whoa, hauls in so fast. This is really user friendly. I really like that one a lot. Makita Saw 12-inch saw blade, laser. The batteries will go in here. There's the model number. This is Bluetooth for the vacuum attachment. 2 batteries. This side here up and down, lock, twist and goes this way. Now it can go up and down. Then it twists and opens forward. And this side here, depth stop.
It goes from 0 to about 62 this way, and 0 through 62 on this side as well. And right here, left is unlock, right is to tighten it up.
What does it do? Oh, go tilt.
Here we go. And then
go on the other side, 45 degree. Wow, and kind of in and out, cut and go this way. Turn it and cut it.
Yeah, turn and cut it at an angle.
Wow, 2x4. Wow, that's fast.
It has an anti-bind function, so like if it feels like it's jamming up, it stops the blade.
Oh, that's cool.
But yeah, so now look.
Oh, wow.
Perfect 90.
That's quick. Just flip it over. Error one-handed swivel riveter kit. Comes with this. Different sizes. Couple of drill bits. Okay, 360 swivels. This comes off and different sizes. Screw on, and then it holds it in here. Looks like 4 different ones. So we're going to use this on one of these clips, and there's a blue bag size, so we need a blue attachment. Okay, slides in and ratchet. Oh, nice, and breaks off the extra. Holds it really well. See what's on the inside.
You just throw this out and you're done.
How did it come out? Easy?
It just fell out.
Okay, sweet. Crescent Lufkin 150 feet chuck line. Unlock, lock, unlock. To reel it in, just wow, reels it in fast. Chuck, to add on chuck, different color. That can go onto the nail as well.
Oh, no, it's good. Ready?
Yeah.
Hold it tight. Holding it?
Yeah. Wow. That's cool. That is just example. Okay, reel it in. Wow, reels it in really fast. Don't have to spin it that much.